Hello everyone, I am Shivam Gupta, owner and founder of Mockzone MBA Preparation. So guys, today's video is going to be very important for those who plan to prepare for MBA CET 2021 exam because I'm going to discuss about the quant syllabus and detailed analysis of last year. I got a lot of pings from the students regarding this key. They were not aware about the detailed syllabus. So in this video, we are going to discuss that. Guys, जरूर से वीडियो को लाइक कर दो. लाइक करने से वीडियो ऊपर आ जाता है, सबकी हेल्प हो जाएगी. एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दो बिकॉज डेली वीडियोस बन रहे हैं, बीट स्ट्रैटेजी बेस्ड वीडियो, बीट कंटेंट बेस्ड वीडियो, बीट मोटिवेशन बेस्ड वीडियो. ठीक है, चलो गाइस लेट्स स्टार्ट. Guys, do one more thing, just follow our Insta page. We are daily posting formulas, news, daily news, and daily vocab is going to help you a lot in CET. So just follow Insta page. You will find the link in the description. Chalo guys, so now let's see. So guys, this is the broad analysis of last year's CET exam. Okay, last year we had these topics. So some topics are constant in CET and you won't find in other exams. Like you can see approximations, quantitative comparison. So we will discuss one by one. Okay, so first we have numbers. So guys, if we talk about the major arithmetic topics, so major quants topics. So major quants topics are what? Arithmetic, algebra, geometry and mensuration, and numbers. But in CET, the major role is played by arithmetic only. Okay, major role is played by arithmetic. We will discuss in the further video what comes in arithmetic. So 10 questions were from arithmetic. In numbers, we had one question. From numbers, we had one question. From geometry and mensuration, we had one question. From modern maths, we have one question. But since we got one question, so it means you have to study everything. You cannot say that we will study only arithmetic. Okay, you have to study all the chapters because no matter they can give more questions from geometry this time. Okay, so guys, but our main focus will be arithmetic only because in official syllabus as well they have mentioned arithmetic, percentage, profit and loss, all these things. Now comes the main part, approximation. Every year 5 questions are from approximations. This is fixed. Every year 5 questions are from number series. This is fixed. 10 questions are from quantitative comparison. ये fixed है. This is fixed. Okay. So quantitative comparison में basically there are two kinds of questions. One is of qualitative type. In that type, you will be given 2 qualitative questions and you are asked to find out the relation between the variables. Like suppose one qualitative question is in the form of x is x and other is in the form of y. So there will be 4 or 5 options. X greater than y, x smaller than y. I have already made a video on that. Okay. Now comes the second part. In second part, there will be 2 independent questions. Suppose in first question it is given that we have to find the age of Ram, and in second question we have to find the price of a chair. So what they will do is they will denote Ram's age as A and price of chair as B. Now you will given the relation A is greater than B, A is smaller than B, like this. Okay. So this is the quantitative comparison. So quantitative comparison nothing but what you have studied. Arithmetic, if you have studied, then you can do. And qualitative inequality. I already made a video on that. So guys, if you look at the new topics that are not common, if we see in MATSNAP, okay, that is approximations, number series, 5 questions, 10, 20. So out of 50 marks, 20 marks is fixed. Yeah, har saal aata hai. Okay. So you have to focus on these things. Data interpretation, 18 questions. Calculation intensive based data interpretation, DI. Okay. So this is the broad breakup of 50 marks. Now let's talk about the topics that are included in each of the 4 main topics. Okay. Numbers. In numbers, you have to study divisibility rules, factors and multiples, LCM and HCM models, remainders, factorial, unit and last 2 digits. Okay. So numbers में ये कर लेना. Then we have arithmetic. In arithmetic is very important, guys. Arithmetic अच्छे से करना. Percentages, profit loss, ratio and proportion, TSG, time and work, partnerships, averages, allegations and mixtures, SICI. These topics are very important, and if you are asking me the source, then I would recommend either refer examples of Arun Sharma or Quantum Cat. Okay, but only solving the questions will not help. You have to take as many topic tests as possible because CET is totally based on a speed based game. Okay, everyone can do the paper if there is no time limit, but actually the thing is you have to be very good at speed. You have to learn the shortcuts as well. Okay, so focus more on arithmetic and take as many topic tests as you can. Okay, then we have algebra. In algebra, APGP, quadratic questions, logarithms, linear equations. Okay, these are the important topics. Geometry may go for circles, triangles and quadratic properties. Mensuration में volumes and areas of 2-dimensional shapes, cones, spheres, cylinder, etc. So mainly you have to study arithmetic because they have given last year one question of number geometry. So you have to study because they can do anything. You cannot claim na. That is why. Okay. And modern maths I have not mentioned. Modern maths it comes set theory, PNC, probability mainly. PNC and probability भी कर लेना, ठीक है. So all these topics are important, ठीक है. And I guess you got the broad idea. So guys, if you're looking for our CET crash course, then you can check out our crash course. It includes everything right from the Telegram sessions, rapid fire sessions, theory handouts, practice sheets, videos, 12 full length mocks. This is 1199. And if you are not, if you don't require the crash course, then what you can do is you can check out our test series. Now we have included more thing, 12 CET mocks closest to CET level. I will show you the reviews, plus 20 speed based rapid fire sessions. Rapid fire sessions are basically a timed quiz in our WhatsApp official group, where one question is posted frequently after a minute. The one who responds first will be given points. It basically prepares you for the worst case scenario. Okay. So we in our WhatsApp group we already have 50-60 students, and many students are already joining. So the price of this test series is 799 only. Okay. First we were only providing you this. Now we have also included this 20 speed based rapid fire sessions. The same thing we did for CMAT, and we got very good results. You can check out this. The sessions are starting from 21st. For both the packs, just visit this site. Okay, mockzone.in/CET. CMAT results you can see 99.5% errors. All these students are appearing for CET with us. Okay, preparing for CET with us. Sorry. CMAT results above 97 percentile. You can see. Okay. Now these are the reviews of CET mocks. Okay, you all can check. You can pause and check. You will get the idea. Our mocks are the closest to CET level. Though there are institutes offering you toughest mocks, yeah, it's good. You have to. I have already told that not to depend only on single test series. You have to take multiple test series, at least 3 or 4 test series. Easy B, tough B, so that you get motivated. Every time giving test series is not going to work, because motivation is there. कोई चीज होती है ना. If you want 140 and you are getting 80 marks, then how you will motivate yourself? कि हमको JB जाना है, ठीक है. So our mocks are closest to CET level, ठीक है. 120 plus is a very good score in our mocks. Okay, so guys, this was our video. All the best. You all can visit mockzone.in, and this is my number. If you want to inquire, you can do. And this is the address of Insta page. Okay, you can visit mockzone.in/CET. Okay, for courses and crash courses and test series. Chalo guys, all the best. Bye bye.